Hi everyone, I am a school psychologist and I am here to give you an office tour. Right now it is June, so it's the end of the school year and I haven't done a tour for the school year yet. So before I take everything down, I'm going to show you my office setup and what it looks like before I take some stuff home and then, we go home for the summer. All right, so here's the door. I have a sign on my door with like the different, what's it called? Like the different labels of like what I could be doing or where I could be. And I have one that says testing, like do not disturb. But I have these as well because even if I do the sign in the front of my door, it's kind of small, people still come and knock or they might try to come in. So I always put additional signs on my door so that they won't disturb, especially for, memory tests or speed tests where students can't be distracted. So I have those extra signs. And also while I was, pumping, I just needed privacy. So I would put this screen down and then put the do not disturb sign on the door. My room came with a couple hooks, perfect for my bag or my jackets during the winter. I hung up a mirror. I used some command strips and then I made these positive affirmations. I think it's nice for middle school. Here's my little desk nook. I got a tiny desk when I first got to the school because I had a really small office and I needed room for a testing table. So I got this tiny desk, and now that I have a bigger office, it looks really small and I would like more desk space, but I made do. I brought in a lamp from home because the fluorescent lamps on top can be very harsh. And so I have a couple lamps in my office, and depending on, what I'm doing or my mood, I might switch up what I need for lighting. I have my dual monitor because report writing and just a lot of things that we do is so much more efficient when you have two screens, one to refer to. I have an extra keyboard, separate mouse, like all of that's just for efficiency. Definitely always have a candy bowl and a coaster. Some stuff for my files. Can definitely organize this a little bit better. Just some decorative stuff. This one's for confidentiality. This one says room is a safe space. I just needed something that looked cute and not too crazy. Here's my crazy bookshelf though. I definitely could use a better system, but here it is for now. I have some fidgets, games, counseling stuff on top. A lot of the fun stuff. I have most of my books here, some test kits, etc. material, and a picture of Zeke. This is kind of like the counseling corner or like the calm corner. Kids can sit on the beanbag, they can color, which not a lot of kids did. So I feel like, I guess I'll use the same one for next year. But I love how big this is, and a lot of my kids come in for testing and they'd rather play with fidgets or just talk, which is fine. I got these posters from Amazon, which I really like. I think it really brightens up the room. They have kind messages on them. Oh, and then I got this from Mrs. School Psych as a gift. Love this poster. I love how School Psychologist is written so big. And the black frame goes really well with it. Here's a bulletin board that came with my room with my little testing table and some chairs. I also got this tiny table because my last room was really small. I like how it looks. I wish it was a little bit bigger because with the test kits that I have, most of mine are still paper. Like we don't have the iPads here. And so it could get a little bit crowded. So I have this third chair to put any extra materials. And it works. It's fine. Oh, you always need a filing cabinet. I have one drawer for protocols, test kits, and then student files. And then this is kind of like test kits and etc. And I take a lot of the test kits out of their bags or boxes and put them in here. Super cute sign from one of my Instagram friends, followers. I will link them down below, but she made this. She has like an Etsy shop and it's super adorable. I don't know how she makes them, but super talented. I would definitely check her out. And then we have this. It used to be on my door, but then I was gonna put something else on my door, so I took it off. They're laminated, and middle school kids love SpongeBob, and so do I, so Made a little feelings board, and then I brought in my own mini fridge. Love having it, super convenient. Bag of snacks. I rotate through what I have throughout the school year. Sometimes I'll have applesauce, granola bars. I'll try to have some healthy things. But yeah, the kids love fudge stripes. It's like their favorite. My own small coffee machine that I brought from home. This is my lunch that I picked up this morning from Starbucks. And that's pretty much it. Here's my second lamp that I recently got from the counseling department. Oh, and a chair. Kids and staff, they love sitting here. It is pretty comfortable. Yeah, I would definitely not sit there if you're tired and you need a nap, because it will definitely put you to sleep. I also brought a fan because I get hot very quickly in here. Or if a student smells really funky, it's really nice to open the door and turn the fan on. One other thing, not a necessity, but it is very convenient to have a printer in your room or next to your computer, or like easy access to one, because you're just printing out like a lot of things for your reports, or just, we're always looking at paper, so I find it very helpful. All right, so that's basically it. That's my office tour. Let me know if you want something more detailed, like about my shelf, what games I have, what books I have, or what test kits I have. I can definitely do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.